Hey, it's your girl Boo. Welcome, y'all. It's 8:20 right now. Yo, I have been here since 7:40 a.m. and I haven't get an order, y'all. It's about to get an hour, and that's strange. Like morning orders, I haven't get on. I don't understand it, y'all. I really don't understand it. What's going on? It's still early in the morning, like order be coming back to back, but no orders at all. I don't know. I'm still thinking, like, what's going on? Where is all my morning orders? Where is all my morning orders? I don't understand. It's Thursday, by the way. So, let's see how the day gonna be, y'all. Because I don't understand. I really don't understand, though. Morning? I haven't gotten no order since 7:40 I've been here. Well, let's wait. Y'all. Let's wait. You guys, it's about 2 hours right now. 2 hours haven't get an order. They keep bringing orders, but they're such a bad orders. They're bad orders, and I'm not gonna take them. So I'm still here waiting for that good order to start my day. Let's see how this day gonna be today. Today, I don't know. Let's just keep watching how the day gonna go. So finally, I was so happy that I received order. I said, yeah, $27. And you guys, when I went to check how many items that I have to shop for, 64 items for $27. I'm not doing that. I feel like that's too low, like low payment. Give me at least 50 some, 40 some, not $27. Shopping for 64 items, and altogether is 94 items. We're not doing that. I would rather sit here and wait. $10.50 now. I just got my first order. You guys, I just got my first order right now, and it's not like a good order. I just took it because I've been here for a while. So $19, and it's going a mayo, 3 drops. Yo, I feel so embarrassed for real. Let me go buy the thing. I need to go buy the roller so I can take off all this stuff. Damn. It looks so bad. Like, it looks so bad. I'm going to buy it. So anyway, I asked the people, the Walmart worker who bring us the deliveries and put it in our car. I said, girl, are you busy in there? She said, no, we don't have we don't have nothing in there. So that's how I know that it's going to be slow for the rest of the day. So I think it's going to be slow for the rest of the day. I don't know, but I'm gonna be here because I don't want to go home. Because if I go home, I'm just going to watch TV. So I would rather stay here and wait for the orders. I might get orders, y'all. You never know. Somebody call me. So anyway, I have a shopping order right now. It's $11, only 1 mayo, and I'm only shopping for 7 items. So let me pick up this phone. So you guys, they give me an order, for shopping order, $19, and I'm shopping 34 items because I know it's too busy. I mean, it's too slow, and that order is not too bad. So that's why I took it, because it's not like too bad, but since it's slow like this, I better jump on it. So I'm going to shop it. So I just hope it doesn't take me too long to finish shopping it. I realized that I came on a wrong entrance. I have to walk all the way down there and turn. Oh my gosh. Forgot. Finally, I'm almost there. I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I parked on the other side of the building. Yo, this day is the slowest day that I ever experienced. I never experienced something like this before. Today was major. Yo, it's 2:23 right now. I just delivered my shopping order. I couldn't record it because she was standing in front of the door. So time to go back to see if we can get more orders, y'all. 2:24 right now. Let's go back, and that was our third order of the day. Third order. I don't think we have 50 yet. I don't think we even have 50, do we? Yeah, I think we have 50. We either have $50 or $60. Just received another order right now, you guys. $17, and it's going 4 miles, and it's 3 drops, and the pickup time is 2:55. You guys, if you haven't started Spark, if you are still on a waiting list, these days like this, it's gonna happen, and it will happen. Spark platform is not that platform that you're gonna make money every day. No, there's gonna be some days like this that you're gonna wait for order hours and hours, and there's not order. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna either go home or stay until you get order, or multi-app. If I wanted to multi-app, I'll be multi-apping right now, but as I told you guys, I don't like multi-apping. I don't know why. Like, my love for all the other apps is gone. Like, it's gone, you know. So we're gonna be here until we make the money. Whatever money that we're gonna make, that's what we're gonna go home with, you know. I need to get my hair done, y'all. I'm planning to get my hair done this weekend. Today's Thursday, so Saturday. I'm trying to call this girl to do my hair on Saturday, but she's not picking up the phone. So I don't know, y'all. Very big order, y'all. My trunk is full. I'm about to start delivering this to the house. It's a lot. I'm telling you. But hey, that's why we do the whole day. Welcome to Spark. Welcome to Spark. Anyway, this is my last drop off, which is my third drop off that I'm dropping. $3.50, you guys. We just received another order, $20, and it's going 70 miles, and it's only 3 drops. You guys, they already put it in my car, so right now it's time to go deliver it Oh, it's time to go delivery, y'all. And my first drop off, it's only like 5 minutes. So let's go. Oh, I'm delivering only one banana. Who ordered only one banana, you guys? Only one banana. Who ordered? I don't understand, y'all. I'm about to deliver right now. Dropping my last. Ooh, it's heavy, y'all. Oh, it's heavy. This is my last drop, yeah. My last drop. Let me do this. $441. We just received another order, you guys. $14, and it's a shopping order. We're shopping for 11 items, and it's going only 3 miles. I think we're gonna do 2 more orders. If it's not 1 order in our shift, it's gonna be over. When I read my notes, what the customer said, it says to leave this order in the garage. I mean, behind the garage door. Interest is here, but the garage door is this way. So I'm gonna leave it behind the garage door. I think she meant here. It's 5:10, you guys. 5:10, and I'm going back at Walmart to wait for. Hold on, do I go this way or this way? Let me go this way. To wait for some more order. I think I needed 2 more orders. I'm praying they can give me shopping orders. Shopping order, that's what I'm praying for right now. I'm gonna be so thankful. And other than that, it's almost time for us to go home, y'all. I think I received an order. Let me go check. We got a shopping order. We got a shopping order, you guys. $17, only going 2 miles, and we're only shopping 5 items, yeah. 5 items. So happy. Somebody buy a Christmas tree. To buy a Christmas tree with those. So you guys, it's 6 o'clock right now. It's 6 o'clock, and I'm still on just because I'm going to Walmart to shop for my my items. I am out of milk at home and salt, so I'm going to get it. So if they give me an order, a shopping order, I'm gonna take it. If they don't, then this is gonna be it. I'm shopping my items, you guys. This is what I shopped. Salt. These are my items, and today was tough, y'all. Yo, my shift is over, you guys. My shift is over. Oh, and I'm thankful. Orders was coming, but bad orders. Bad orders. So anyway, I'm thankful for what I made. I made a 118, y'all, from in the morning. From 7:40 to 6, I made 118. 118. It's alright. I'm grateful. I didn't have that money. I didn't have that money. If I have went home, that money would have, like, oh, somebody's calling. Anyway, you guys, I love you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Days like this, they're gonna come again. You never know.